Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Satwa Forest Ridge by Satwa Group, which is located in Anjanapura JP Nagar Phase 9 in South Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So right now we are here on the land parcel of the project, and this is the marketing office of Satwa Forest Ridge. And now about the land parcel is on my right hand side over here. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project with the help of this miniature. So the project is constructed on total 4.1 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers. Each tower of basement, ground plus 28 and 30 floors premium residencies, having exclusive 1, 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and the project is located on 80 feet Anjanapura main road in JP Nagar 9th phase South Bangalore. Now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the 80 feet Anjanapura main road, and this road over this side will connect you towards Malsandra, and on the opposite side will take you towards Bannerghatta. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Kanakapura main road in 3.3 kilometers. Bannerghatta road is 3.8 kilometers. Talagattapura metro station is again 3.8 kilometers from the project. Now about the amenities part, and the project is providing you world-class amenities like a grand clubhouse. Here's your swimming pool with a kids play area, multi-purpose court, pickleball court, cricket practice pitch. Here's a half basketball court and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with 1, 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies where 1 BHK starting from 732 to 767 square feet, 2 BHK starting from 1195 to 1200 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1616 to 1864 square feet super built up area. And now coming to the booking process, so the project booking window is open now, and we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Satwa Forest Ridge by Satwa Group, located in Anjanapura, JP Nagar Phase 9, South Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.